Gen AI applications. It looks easy. There are ready pipelines and copy-paste code you can just use right away, but serving thousands of users, scaling across geographies, securing the models and the data, maintenance, cost efficiency, these are only some of the advantages of using commercial clouds. Let me show you how to build a full Gen AI RAG application on AWS using OPEA. OPEA, the open platform for enterprise AI, simplifies the production of Gen AI applications for enterprise by providing containerized, multi-platform, multi-vendor, and device microservices. You can use each microservice by itself or use many microservices orchestrated by a mega service to operate the full application, like we'll do in a minute. You'll see how, on one hand, it is very easy to build, and on the other, if you need the control, you can control almost any possible parameter by editing simple configuration files. Check out my other video on OPEA chat Q&A sample. Here, I'll run it on AWS. I'm going to launch a new instance on EC2. It will run Ubuntu. I took a large enough machine, created a key. It's part of a VPC I've created before. Enable external IP address. I've created a security group that will enable both SSH and TCP, and launch. I open VS Code, connect to host, and configure SSH hosts. Let's take the IP address from the instance and provide the right key. And connect to host, connect to our OPEA core machine. We got a new window which is now connected, and we can start working. So far, we just got a machine with the right permissions, right connectivity, and so on. Now, let's build a chat Q&A application. Look for OPEA docs. I'll leave you the link below. Getting started with OPEA, and since this machine has nothing installed, I'll start with installing Docker. So I'll just follow the simple instructions. I'll be using OPEA version 1.2, clone the OPEA examples repository. I'm using localhost. My Hugging Face token is essential as the basic LLM and embedding requires Llama permissions. Initialize the environment and Docker compose app. This will download everything, build everything, and start all the services. Once this is done, you can see that we have all the services up and running. You can communicate with each one of them directly. Let's use the UI. Back to our instance. This is a public IP, and we have the UI up and running. What is OPEA? No, Open Platform for Education is not what I meant. This is a RAG system, so I'll just add some OPEA URL and re-ask the question. And yes, this is working. The system can read the document, process, and generate an answer. Cool? OPEA-based RAG application running on AWS. The simplicity of building Gen AI applications using predefined composable components plus the power of AWS Cloud. Enjoy, subscribe, thank you.